Based on videos that I've done previously, especially on creating customers. Now let's go to edit and have a feel. You realize that we entered all the details in relation to the customer that we have. But then in the typical business environment, we might have um, contact persons that we normally call on when we want to deal with the business. At times, it's the owner of the business. At times, he has a representative that we call time to time to ask for our money. Since our customers ends up, if we sell on credit to our customers, they become debtors. We have to be chasing them. Every accountant has to be chasing them for money. So in this video, we are going to create something we call custom field. You realize that you haven't been given an option for that, but then with Manager you can actually create it yourself, and then that is what we call custom field. So we're going to use custom field in creating a contact person in these accounts that we have created. So to do that, you come to settings, you have custom field here, then we are going to have the list of places you might want to create some of these custom field. Now we can simply start with bank accounts. Let's create one for account. Let's create one for branch. So you type, so this is what is going to be labeled. That's that going to be the name of the box. That's assuming we have let's look at this. We have label here. Now the label, when we type here, is going to appear in a deep markup there as we have it here. And then we are going to have a drop down box where we can type in the branch that we belong to. Now, a single line text, yes, of course, it's going to be a single line text, not a drop down. And this is going to be the small size. The small size is what we have here, but then let's look at somewhere medium. And then would you want it to be shown on printed documents or on the columns? So let's highlight two, or the two of them. Create. Let's add another one for account number. Okay, so let's give it the medium, and yep, we would want it to show. Great. Now let's go and look at the actual reason why we came here. So customer. Now we are going to create um, contact person. Contact person. Let's make it large. Yes, let's show it on the custom on there. So this time we wouldn't be activating it on printed documents, and then let's see how that's going to work. And then we are going to have this contact number. Yes, show on columns and on printed documents. Now let's do the same for suppliers, because basically we are going to be dealing with our suppliers as well, and so we would need to have their contact person. It has to be large. We don't know how big the person's name might be. Create another for contact number. Contact number. Okay, let's make that medium. Click on create. Now let's come back. You see, when we take the add to column, it basically means that when we click on the tab, it's going to add it to the columns that we have here. So we have branch, we have account number, so we can edit and enter these details. So assuming, so you realize that the custom field has been created here. So you have custom field, account number. You can go for any. Let's go for the branch, Sedum branch. Let's click on update for access. Edit here. Let's enter. Oh, too much joke. Okay. Then the branch is, let's say, Asafu branch of Royal Bank. Good. Then we come to, now you realize we didn't create any custom field for cash account, so it remains as it is. We come to customers, contact number, contact person has also been added to the columns that we have here. So you click on edit, and contact number 02, the space is small, 024415. Okay, so this is, and the contact person is so Kwame John. Okay, and then the second one, for Agape phones, we're going to have custom field contact number being 020, then contact person Yabedu. No, so in an instance where we are supposed to call this person, we just come to the customers tab, we pick their contact, and then we call. We are going to have their balances also showing, and as time goes on, some of these things will take shape. And then contact person was the only thing that appeared here because that was the only thing that we activated under supplies. So let's come to settings, let's go to custom field, let's look for the the supplier box. Okay, contact person, let's edit here. So you see, show on column, show on printed document, and let's click on update. Now let's come back to suppliers, contact person, contact number appears. So can enter any contact contact person. So let's say Kofi Buache. Then we click on update. And then the next one, yeah, 02. Okay, the contact person is, let's use James Arca. Okay, so now we have this is basically what we use custom fields for. When you go to the custom fields model, it gives you access to a lot of things. You can even create categories of inventories that you want to create, which we will come to it. Yeah, so basically this is how custom field works in Manager Accounting software. Kindly like and subscribe for more videos.